Welcome to the daily message on this feast of the Holy Guardian Angels. I'm thinking today about when I was a kid in South St. Louis at St. Mary Magdalene Parish, being taught by the St. Joseph Sisters. And when we were taught about the guardian angels, the image that you see on the screen was the image that we were to believe, that our guardian angel was with us at all times. We were told that the guardian angel was sitting on one shoulder and the evil one on the other shoulder, and that we should try to listen to that good angel and do what's right, stay on the straight and narrow. Needless to say, I didn't always listen to that good angel. And I was struck too by this prayer that appears on the screen. This is the prayer that we were taught when we were children. Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me here, ever this day be at my side, to light and guard, to rule and guide. Amen. Now, when I think about the guardian angels, I see them primarily as a sign that God is with me, and a sign that God is with us at all times. This feast, I think, of the guardian angels is a reminder to us all that God is with us. No matter what happens, God is with us in our best moments. God is with us in our darkest moments. And God is with us at all those moments in between. This feast of the Holy Guardian Angels, I think, reminds us of the comfort that we can take in knowing and believing that God is with us always.